Hello everyone, welcome to the Newell's channel, and today in this short video we are going to fix DirectX 11 or 12 error for GTA 5. So before starting video, if you are new on this channel, then hit subscribe button and let's start a video without wasting any time. So first of all, download and open this folder. Download link is given in description. So just follow every step as I'm showing you in this video. So now after following all these steps, just restart your PC and then open game, and hope so your issue is fixed. So if you like this video, then hit like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to Newell's channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.